Hello students, today in this session I will teach you the formulae of the chapter surface area and volume. These formulae will be helpful for the students of class 8, 9th and 10th also. So let me start with formulae of surface area and volume. The first one is cuboid. As we know, cuboid is a three-dimensional figure which is made up of joining 6 rectangles. So when we join 6 rectangles, we are getting a cuboid. This is a cuboid. Now firstly, I will be telling you the surface area of cuboid. Surface area. Now see about this surface area. We have firstly total surface area, then its curved surface area. When I talk of total surface area, that means I need to talk of the surface area of this whole cuboid. As I told you, this cuboid comprises of 6 rectangles. One at the top, second at the bottom, this is third, fourth, then fifth one is the front one, and the sixth one is the back rectangle. We have 6 rectangles, so its total surface area is firstly this rectangle on the top. It has length and width, so its area is length into width. We have 2 rectangles, one at top and one at bottom with length and width. So their areas are length into width. So 2 rectangles with the area length into width, that is 2LB. Plus I have these 2 rectangles, 1 and 2, with this is your height and this is your width. So their area is h into b. This one rectangle with b into h area, this is second one. So I have 2 rectangles with area bh. Then I have the rectangle at the front. This is your height, this is your length. So this rectangle's area will be h into L. Another rectangle which is at the back, its area is also h into L. So I have 2 rectangles with area HL. So this means the total surface area of cuboid is, you can take out 2 common from all the values, twice of LB plus BH plus HL. Now I can talk of the curved surface area, that is the lateral surface area. Lateral surface area is the area of 4 walls. That means I need not to include the rectangle which is at the top and at the bottom. That means I should subtract the areas of these 2 rectangles. That is twice of LB. This should be subtracted from the total surface area of cuboid. In that case, I will be getting the area of 4 walls. So when I subtract twice LB from this area, I am getting twice BH plus twice of HL. Again, you can take 2 common and H is also common. Then I have B plus L, or twice of H, L plus B. So this is your lateral surface area of cuboid, which is area of 4 walls. Next concept I can talk of is cube. Again we know cube is a 3-dimensional figure which comprises of 6 squares. 6 squares when joined together, we are getting a cube. Again when I talk of total surface area, that means 6 squares joined together. The area of one square is side square. So I have joined 6 squares, so its area is 6 side square. And when I talk of lateral surface area, as I told you, lateral surface area is the area of 4 walls. So I should include only 4 squares. So that means it becomes 4 side squares. Area of one square is side square, it becomes 4 side square. So we have learned about the areas of cuboid and cube. Now I will be talking about the volume of these 2 3-dimensional figures. Since cuboid has a length a width and a height. So this means when I talk of the volume of cuboid, that is length into width into height, that is L into B into H. Similarly, when I talk of the volume of cube, since we know all the sides of cube are equal, so its volume will be side cube, because these all sides are equal, its length, width and height, they all are equal to S, so its volume is equal to